have you just started your stock market investment journey like me? Then these three tools will help you to do due diligence research before buying a stock. Let's have a look. The first app that we're going to look at is called Money Control. With this stock market news app, you can keep yourself updated with the news pertaining to the current trends, market conditions, and the political impact on all the stocks. This is a very good application you can refer on a daily basis. This is absolutely free, but you can upgrade to get a premium feature like economic calendar, SWOT analysis, virtual events, and newsletters, etc. The second app that we're going to look at is called Screener. This is a complete stock research application where you can research the complete history of stocks, their businesses, and even the financial documents. The unique value proposition is custom filter option where you can filter the stocks based on any criteria like P ratio, market cap, or dividend yield, etc. They also have both paid and free version of the app, but I recommend you should try the free version first and then upgrade as required. The third and the final app that we're going to look at is called Stockedge. Again, a complete stock research application, but their unique value proposition is that you can see the portfolio of top investors in India like Rakesh Junjunwala and Associates and consider them for an inspiration. But again, do your due diligence research before making a decision. Just don't go buy that portfolio. Certain features are free here, but again, you can upgrade for premium features as required. If you want to know more about these tools or the other tools that I use for my stock investment research, then share your comments in the comment section so that I can create a detailed video on it. Until then, it's a bye.